In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping and accept payments with Wix. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can efficiently manage your online store. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome or whichever browser you prefer. Navigate to wix.com by typing the URL into the address bar. Once the Wix homepage has loaded, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's free and straightforward to do. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings tab. This tab is where you manage many crucial aspects of your site. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option for shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. Clicking on this will bring you to the shipping settings for your store. You'll now notice an option to create region. Clicking this will allow you to specify regions that your store ships to. This part is essential because it helps you define where your customers are and can tailor your services to meet their needs. Next, click on the Add Destination button. This allows you to specify exact destinations within your selected regions. To proceed, you will be prompted to click on the destination and then onto Next. Now's the time to type in the region's name you'll be shipping to. After doing that, click Next again. This successive series of clicks and entries will help you establish a clear, organized shipping logistics framework, making customer transactions smooth and hassle-free. Upon reaching the next phase, click Continue. You'll be asked to set a shipping method here. A common choice is a flat rate. If you opt for this, remember to type in the rate you wish to charge. This is a crucial step, so consider the costs involved in shipping and ensure that the rate you set covers those. Following the rate entry, you'll want to type in the name of your shipping method, which will appear to customers at checkout. This name helps clarify shipping options to buyers at the point of purchase. Having done that, simply click Add to save your settings. With shipping setup complete, we proceed to the payment section. Yet again, go back to Settings on your Wix dashboard and select Accept Payments. Here, Wix provides various payment gateways that you can choose from. The available options might differ depending on your location, so choose the one that best suits your needs and your customers' preferences. Finally, click Connect to link your selected payment provider with Wix. If you choose to use PayPal, for example, you'll need to enter your email address associated with PayPal. Once that's done, don't forget to hit Save to lock in all your new payment settings. This ensures smooth transactions, promoting customer trust and satisfaction. And there you have it. You've now set up shipping and payments on your Wix store, making it ready to handle customer orders seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.